Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable TalkBack, Android's screen reader for accessibility, follow these step-by-step instructions to activate and configure this feature. Step 1. Open the Settings application on your Android device by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or by pulling down the notification shade and tapping Settings. Step 2. Scroll down through the Settings menu and tap on Accessibility to access all accessibility features available on your device. Step 3. In the Accessibility menu, look for the Screen Readers or Vision section and tap on TalkBack to access its settings. Step 4. Tap the toggle switch at the top of the TalkBack screen to turn on the feature. A dialog box will appear explaining how TalkBack changes device interaction. Step 5. Read the information provided about TalkBack gestures carefully. Tap OK or Allow to confirm activation and grant necessary permissions. Step 6. TalkBack will immediately begin speaking everything you touch on the screen. To select an item, tap it once to highlight, then double-tap anywhere to activate it. Step 7. Practice the basic navigation gestures. Swipe right to move forward through items, swipe left to move backward, and use 2 fingers simultaneously to scroll pages. Step 8. To adjust TalkBack settings or turn it off later, access settings again using the same gestures. You can also quickly toggle TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for 3 seconds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.